Hey you guys, the 2024 Genesis model year is going through some changes. Now the G80 key changes and additions. Now the packaging for the 2.5 T wheel drive base Advance Sports Prestige is no longer available. Instead it's going to be the 3.5 T all-wheel drive Sports Space package, surrounded view monitor, blind spot view monitor, rear occupant alert, ultrasonic digital key, NFC from passenger seat, walk-in device, power bolsters and cushions, extensions, driver Argo Motion, Lexicon trademark, premium audio with 21 speakers, 3-zone climate control, wireless device charger, front power rear sunshade, and manual rear sunshades are no longer available. The new sports package now available. Power door closure. Remove the cross 3.5T package. So no longer there will be a power door closure for the 3.5T package. Now all trim and packages added Wi-Fi hotspot. Advanced forward collision avoidance assist. Highway driving assist 2. It's now standard. Exterior colors. Bun silver matte now available. Valencia gold. Verbier matte white. Siberian ice no longer available. Now the destination pricing is going up to $1,250 MSRP. Now the G80 2.5 T all-wheel drive is a standard $54,400 and the Advance $59,100. And the Sports Prestige being $63,950. Now the G80 3.5 T all-wheel drive Sport is going to be $64,250, and the Sport Advance being $67,200, and the Sports Prestige being $73,100. Now with the packaging for the electrified G80, the key changes in addition. Now there's going to be a new advanced trim added. Now all trims and packages, the white calipers, leather seating surfaces, and Wi-Fi hotspot added as standard equipment. Now destination pricing being $1,250. The electrified G80 all-wheel drive Advance being $74,375, and the Prestige being $79,125. Now the G90 key changes in addition include with the packaging, all trims and packages, the dynamic welcome light, known as DWL, Wi-Fi hotspot, easy closed door system enhancement for the second row doors, engine oil level sensor, engine sound by engine vibration, now added as standard on all the trims and packages, smart key colors to match exterior of vehicle is now available. The destination pricing being $1,250. The G90 3.5 turbo all-wheel drive standard being $89,200. Now the E supercharger being $99,500. Now the GV60 key changes and additions. With the packaging, the rear-wheel drive package is now available. Advanced all-wheel drive and pre-safety belt added as standard equipment. The performance all-wheel drive, the virtual gear shift, and a Genesis digital key 2 added as standard equipment. Now all trims and packages added Wi-Fi hotspot, and they added 10 airbags. Now the destination pricing for this GV60 is $1,350 MSRP. And the GV60 standard wheel-wheel drive is $52,000, and the advanced all-wheel drive is $60,550, and the performance all-wheel drive being $69,550. And then you have the electrified GV70. Now the key changes in addition for packaging, all trims and packages has the added Wi-Fi hotspot. Exterior colors being uni white, Alta white, Matterhorn white, Capri blue, and Cardiff green is now available. You have the Macula gray, matte is no longer available. And the destination pricing for the electrified GV70 is $1,350. Now the electrified GV70 all-wheel drive advance is $66,450. And the all-wheel drive Prestige is $73,250. Then you have the GV70, key changes in addition. In the packaging, the 2.5 turbo all-wheel drive, the 19-inch alloy wheels, and monoblock front brake added as standard equipment. You have the Sports Prestige, ventilated front seats, Lexicon, premium audio, the manual rear door shades, remote smart parking assist added as standard equipment. And then you also have the 3.5 turbo all-wheel drive. And on that one, you'll have the forward collision avoidance assist 2 and highway driving assist 2 added as a standard equipment. In the Sports Advance, you have the 21-inch sport alloy wheels offered. All trims and packages is added Wi-Fi hotspot. The destination pricing for this is $1,350. Now the MSRP for the GV70 2.5 turbo all-wheel drive standard is $45,150. Select is $48,150. And the Advance is $51,150. And the Sports Prestige is $57,050. The GV70 3.5T all-wheel drive, the Sport is $57,750. And the Sport Advance is $64,150. Then you have the Sports Prestige being $67,350. And you also have the GV80, the key changes and additions for the packaging being the 3.5T all-wheel drive, the advanced folding third row entire mobility kit added as standard equipment, Prestige and Prestige with the matte paint. Power folding third row is no longer available. Now the Prestige Signature, the 4-seat configuration, returns to the lineup. Dark chrome trim colors include mono red, black and black interior, and Vic black with black and black interior. All trims and packages are going to have the added Wi-Fi hotspot. Exterior colors, Cardiff green, Brunswick green, no longer available. Interior colors, maroon brown, smoky green two-tone is no longer available as well. The destination for this is $1,350. The GV80 2.5 all-wheel drive, standard $57,700, and the Advance is $64,200. The Prestige being $69,450, and the GV80 3.5 turbo all-wheel drive standard is $64,850. Advance being $72,200, the Prestige being $77,250, and the Prestige Matte being $78,750, and the Prestige Signature being $81,750. So there you have it, folks. This is the 2024 Genesis model year changes. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, like, share, and subscribe, and have a fantastic day.